What's going on, YouTube? Here we got a 2004 Subaru Forester XS non-turbo 2.5. Check engine light came on. Cylinder 3, 1 and 3 misfire, heavy misfire. Check plugs, check coils. Everything panned out, everything checked out. Finally decided to take the timing belt cover off and find that the timing belt has jumped. It is a brand new timing belt water pump setup. Here you're looking at the driver's side cam. We go over to the passenger side cam. We can see where it is about, let's say about 3 to 4 teeth off. So that'll definitely cause a misfire if you're going crazy with a misfire that you can't detect. Side by side, cylinder 1.3, cylinder 2.4, 5.6, and you check it out. Also did a compression test on this, and it all panned out. Pull apart your timing covers if it has timing belt. Quite possible that's your corporate. Have a good day. If you like this, like and subscribe, share with a friend.